Hey everybody, welcome back again. Just another quick little review for you. I picked up a Zelos. I've looked at these before. I mean, I do believe it's just going to be passed on. Like I'm going to be selling it again, but I really wanted to see one for myself, hands-on. I love their little warranty card. I think it was filled out at one time. This was already used. I didn't pick it up brand new, but that's kind of cool. I think it comes with a four watch travel pouch. That's also kind of neat. And then the watch came in this. Now, this is the Zelos Horizons 43 stainless steel forged carbon. So it has a forged carbon dial and forged carbon bezel insert. Ooh, nice if you hold the watch up right side up, isn't it? Now that's really a very sharp looking watch. I really like that dial on there. I know I say it's moving on, and I'm positive. Yes, it will. I'm not even gonna lie, but that's really nice, isn't it? Gotta say. All right, let's get to a couple of specs here. It is 43 millimeters in diameter, hence the name. Horizons 43. It's pretty big. It's a 49 lug to lug, so not for the small wristed of us. It has a 13 mil thickness, a lug width of 22 mil. It's running a Seiko NH35 with a color matched date wheel. Let's give it a little bit of love. Yeah. Well, they say color matched. That looks just pretty black and white to me. But whatever. Screw down crown. Uh, 200-meter water resistance. Sapphire crystal, and you can probably see that blue AR on there with that little bit. Has pretty decent loom. I'm not going to do a loom shot for you, but believe it or not, like I'm not sure how Zelos gets away with that cream color like that, and their loom is actually pretty top shelf. So 120 click unidirectional bezel. I gotta say, okay. There's nothing wrong with it. It's nice and firm. It's tight. There's zero back play. There's no wiggle to it. It's otherwise chef's kiss. But I'm just a Seiko fanboy, I guess. I like the click spring in a Seiko. Just me. I mean, that's a nothing to cry about, to be honest. It does not detract from the quality of the watch at all. Moving right along. Has a really nice bracelet with screwed in end links. The clasp is really nice. It's just there's no fold over, or sorry, no safety clasp on it. It's just the push buttons, but very nice. And this one, we'll see if I can get in closer for you guys, is, so you can see Zelos Horizons 200 meter 316 stainless, and it is number 24 of 100. I get a really nice case back on these, but there you go. Anyhow, I just wanted to share this with you guys, and say thanks again for watching. If you guys are actually interested, get in touch with me. We can work something out. Like I say, it's a gorgeous watch. They're really buttery smooth. But it's gonna move on. It'll find another home. Anyhow, cheers everybody. Take care. I will see you all again soon.